I mad?
Hey guys, just thought I'd come to you with something really quickly. It's a beautiful sunny morning, very still, so I'm quite warm, but the thing is that the air temperature's only 8 degrees at the moment, and with a little bit of cloud cover and wind it could drop a lot lower than that. The temperature's below 10 degrees. So what do you wear in that sort of situation for kayak fishing? Well, here's the go. Obviously you wear a PFD, right? But it's all about layers, right? So I'm not actually wearing a lot in reality, right? So here I've just got a thermal top on and a fishing shirt. That's fine. It's 8 degrees. Guy in his quick Porsche, hey. A windproof, waterproof, lightweight jacket like this, PFD over the top of it. So on a morning like this gets stowed along with some spare clothing. So I put a spare thermal top and a spare thermal bottom in here because they're very easy to stow, and if you do get wet, they're great things to throw on after you've dried yourself. So thermal pants, and then the pants themselves are a very lightweight, stretchy, water resistant pant. So they're splash resistant, so the water doesn't soak through. Also looking at the gloves. So even though it's not summer, right, you'll get burnt really easily. So UPF 50 or above gloves, lightweight, and also face shield. Okay. Feet, I wear neoprene boots. What's the deal with all of that? Okay, so it's what they call layering. Alright, so it's lightweight clothing and it keeps me warm, and it's not, and here's the important thing, if I go overboard, none of it is going to weigh me down. Alright, so some of the really bad habits that I see are thick hoodies, thick almost woolen jumpers, gumboots, big no-no. If you think gumboots are a great idea to keep your feet dry and so on, go home, get your gumboots, half fill them full of water, and then start carrying them around, and realise that then on your feet are just going to weigh you down. Alright, so I hope this is some useful information for kayak fishing in winter. See you guys.